Hey lovelies, I wanted to talk to you about a special brush sale that we have going on with Seint. This one is called the Blend Collection. It's $85 in US dollars. You save $22 by buying it as a collection. Now, this is the buff brush. It is excellent. It's really good. It gives a medium to a heavy coverage on your skin. Its special superpower is that it is great for texture. So if you have textured skin, then I usually will recommend this because it kind of blurs that out. It's very dense. It's got a little bit of a round, smoothed edge. It's very soft and short. And it's just kind of perfect for blurring if you have a lot of acne and you have the bumps from that, or texture from large pores and those kind of things, then this is a good one. And then the other end is smaller so that you can fit in like around the eye area, in between the brows, and in those small areas. So it is a good one. The other one, this is the smudge brush. This is also available in the eye collection, and it's a good one. It packs on because it's short and dense and rounded. It really packs on the color. So if you use the normal brushes, eyeshadow brushes like this one, that's a little bit longer and fluffier, it's going to do like a lighter wash of color, whereas this short and dense is going to pack it on. So if I'm using like a light pink shimmer, then I will use this to bring out the pink and the shimmer more. And then this kind of domed shaped end is really good to get in here and do the detail work if you want to bring in some dark colors here in the corner of your eye or in your crease. And so that's a great eye brush. You can also use it for lower, like smoky eyeshadow. And then this one is the blend brush. This is another one that's typically used for your skin. It is great. It gives a beautiful finish as well. It gives a light coverage. This one, the buff, gave you the heavy coverage. This one does the light. So if you need both, if you have texture in some places but you want to keep it light everywhere else, then you could use both of these for your skin. I love this brush for a light coverage. You know, if you have not a lot of things that you feel like you need to cover and you just want to keep it really more natural, then this is the perfect brush for that. This blend brush, the large end, is what I use for my regular main highlight when I use it, and then I use the smaller one for more of the detail work, like under my eyes, between my brows, and around my nose. Also, some people use it for blush. It'll give you a really light, soft look for your blush. So if you're a younger girl or you just like a barely there blush, then that would work well for that. So if you already have the blend brush for your skin, then you may buy a second one so that you can use it as a blush if you wanted. That way you won't have to clean your brush between the skin and the color of blush every single time. And then it's also used for illuminator. It does really pretty and giving you a light dusting of illuminator at the top of your cheeks or the tip of your nose, and so it's good for that as well. So this is the Blend Collection. It's $85 on sale from August 16th to August 25th. That's a $22 savings, and these are good quality brushes. Our brushes do not shed. They're very dense. They're made to work with our cream makeup perfectly, and then you'll get a good eyeshadow brush in here as well. So these are good brushes to have. I have two of everything. That way I'm not having to stop and clean anything as often, and it's really, really helpful. My girls are wanting brushes too, and so I've kind of been building their collection with them. So these are good to have, and it's a good savings. So the Blend Collection, if you have any questions, let me know, and thanks so much for watching.